an order calls for tubes up to 18 meters long and 1,600 kilograms, the challenge is no longer cutting speed alone, but the capability of your entire production line. Unstable clamping, poor cut accuracy, excessive waste. You may handle heavy tubes, but struggle with medium and small sizes. To take jobs of different sizes, you keep buying more machines while labor costs keep rising. HSG continues to push the limits of heavy tube processing technology. The era of one machine for one task is coming to an end. TL3 PRO, the full-floating 4-chuck tube laser cutter from HSG's heavy-duty tube family. Built from mixed production of heavy, medium, and small tubes. It does not ask you to buy another machine. It helps you use one machine to complete more jobs. Its L-shaped modular heavy-duty bed allows flexible loading and unloading lengths, handling tubes up to 18 meters and 1,600 kilograms with stability. Ideal for structural steel, shipbuilding, and solar mounting applications. The clamping range covers 20 to 360 millimeters. Heavy-duty jobs? You can take them. Smaller tube jobs? You can handle those too. One machine, one crew, ready for jobs from small to heavy tubes. Lower equipment costs and expand the orders you can take. When one machine does more, efficiency must rise with it. TL3 PRO delivers a full upgrade in dynamic performance. Compared with conventional heavy-duty tube machines, rapid traverse speed is increased by 25% and chuck rotation speed is increased by 33%. Even in high-speed processing of medium and small tubes, efficiency and stability are maintained. With its fully free-moving 4-chuck structure, TL3 enables parallel operations. While the C3 and C4 hold the tube for cutting, C1 and C2 are already preparing the next load. While C1 and C2 hold the tube for cutting, C3 and C4 can unload simultaneously. Prep while cutting, unload while processing. Less waiting, less downtime, more uptime. Efficiency increases by over 20%. Every second stays productive. True versatility depends on stability. TL3 PRO further lowers the machine's center of gravity. The heights of the bed, material table, loading rack, and unloading rack are fully optimized, making heavy tube lifting safer and faster while improving overall machine stability. The loading area is equipped with 4 sets of follow-up supports, and the unloading area with 5 sets of follow-up supports. This combines high stability with heavy load capacity. From loading to unloading, every heavy tube is firmly supported throughout the process. At the same time, TL3 adopts 45 millimeters wide heavy-duty guide rails and racks, forming a more stable, 3-dimensional dual-rail drive structure. The load on the guide rails is distributed more evenly, ensuring more stable, heavy-duty operation. The 4 fully free-moving chucks adapt to different jobs with 3+1 or 2+2 clamping modes. Small tubes stay steady at high speed without whipping or vibration. Long, heavy tubes remain firmly supported. Beyond heavy tubes, TL3 PRO also delivers high speed and high precision for medium and small tube processing. Optional 4+1 twin chuck adds stronger holding force for small tubes and open profiles, keeping precision high across more applications. Truly balancing high efficiency and high precision, it handles heavy, medium, and small tubes in one system. In heavy tube processing, cost control matters just as much. The free-moving chucks drive the tube forward or backward for extreme end cutting, making full use of every inch of material. Optional dual laser scanning compared to traditional capacitive centering, it boosts efficiency by 50% and precision by 30%. Multi-purpose does not mean lower quality. TL3 PRO supports bevels in one pass with no secondary processing before welding. Even in continuous production, precision stays high. Furthermore, TL3 PRO features multiple anti-burn protections. Key areas like the unloading area, guide rails, and Z-axis are all fitted with seals that resist both heat and dust. It keeps high heat and fumes out, protecting the core parts and making them last longer. So even with prolonged heavy-duty use, it stays stable and reliable. When it comes to heavy tube processing, safety is the top priority. The unloading area is equipped with follow-up support plates, supporting segmented unloading for multiple lengths, from 2 to 12 meters. The anti-rolling V-groove design effectively prevents tubes from rolling off. Unloading becomes more stable, safer, and easier to manage. TL3 PRO. One machine, total versatility. From heavy-duty pipes to profiles, we cover it all, turning every investment into visible returns.